everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. So today, my dear friend Gina, who is wonderful, I'm going to link her channel down below, sent me this sweet little palette. It's called the Dear Diary Series Sunset Kiss Unlock Your Story palette. And she asked me to do a look to upload today. This is what it looks like on the inside. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, yeah, we're going to do this. We're going to do this. Gina's such a good person. Just so kind. Very kind lady. Alright, so I'm going to take this shade right here, and it is a shimmer shade, but I'm going to put it in my crease. Or my transition. I watched, I think it was Emily Noel do something sort of like this with a shimmer shade in her transition, or kind of above her eyeshadow. Gina's so sweet. You guys gotta go check out her channel. She's fabulous. Love her. Fabulous. Fabulous. Alright, Miss Gina. What are we going to do here? So I'm going to go into the shade just underneath it. The shade right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease to deepen it up some. Not too bright. Let's see. I think I'm going to go into the shade right underneath that. And I'm going to put that in my outer V. This is a really nice little palette. Gina, thank you so much. I really like this. It's a nice little palette. I have a little bit of fallout. You get fallout with everything. Everything gives you fallout. The trick is not to wipe it like I just did and make a black mark on your face. I look like I've been beaten now. I'll fix that in a minute. So I'm going to try and just pat this on to get it a little bit darker. I promised Gina and Erica I would do this. I think back in June or July, like I would do the next round of palettes. I'm doing the next round of palettes. All right, let's see, we're going to go into this purple right there. We're going to put that, ooh, that is nice without any, even wetting, without even wetting my brush. I'm going to wet my brush and try it again. Oh my, it's going to be very pigmented. Like you guys can't see it as good because it's so bright. And I don't know how to change that right now because I'm not using my camera, my regular camera. I'm using my what's it called? You know, the computer one, webcam. You knew what I was talking about. Wanted me to say it. Okay, so now I'm gonna be a little bit courageous, I think, and I'm gonna go in with the gold. Let me get a wipe. So I'm going to do a little cleanup here. Clean up my brush a little bit. Clean up my face a little bit. Oh, that's much better, Susan. You don't look like you beat yourself to death. Yeah, so I'm going to go into that gold. I may have to turn it down some with the bronze, but okay, gold. What you got going on here? All right, let's try this bronze. Yeah, I like that. All right. Stunning, Gina, stunning. You always find the best little palettes. All right, let's see what we're going to do under our eye. I think I'm going to go back in with that deep purple. And smudge that. Ooh. This is really nice. All right, I'm going to go into a real light shade. And kind of do my inner corner. Yes. Put some mascara on. Trying to use up my MAC little sample. It's really nice. Kind of turning my eyes like a purplish color. All right. All right, I'm using a tight line from It Cosmetics. Really like that as well. And I'm going to go in with some Fake Awake. Much better. Much better. All right, guys, this is a look I got from this sweet little palette from my friend Miss Gina Stanley. I'll link her channel below. I'm sure that we got several other girls collabing on this, and probably Sean too. I think we can get Sean to film if he's ready. I'm not sure he's ready. I love you, Sean. I love you, Gina. All right, this is what it looks like, and it's called, I'm sorry, It's called the Dear Diary series Sunset Kiss. Beautiful palette, Gina. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Mwah.